Hello guys, welcome to another video. So in today's video I will be sharing how I landed my very first freelancing gig on Upwork. So it wasn't perfect, not a great pay, but I still took it. This is sometimes the most important step, is just getting started, and that is what I did. So let's be honest, getting that first Upwork job is hard. I've heard and read comments saying it's extremely hard for beginners, and yeah, I felt that. You send proposal after proposal, ban connects, and hear nothing back from the client. It's frustrating. So my first gig wasn't in my niche, and like I said, it didn't pay much. But I still took it. I read an advice saying, your first review is gold even if the project isn't. So I focus on that. The review now becomes proof moving forward. So at first my proposals were all about me. So this was the mistake that I was making my proposals. I was saying that I'm passionate. I've been doing this for certain number of years. I'm skilled in this and this, but that's not what the client wants. Here's a quote from Reddit post that changed how I saw it. He said, don't talk about yourself on every proposal, try to solve the client's problem. Give them about 10% of the solution, and then you can go ahead and ask a question. So I had to change things. Now I read job posts carefully. I try to understand the end goal, like this one quote that says, hi, I think you should, then you address a problem. With that, then you give the solution. Then you say, I've done some of the work in the past, then you mention your portfolio where the client can visit and see some of the related work. And what kind of data, now this is the question that you're posing to the client, what kind of data do you have? Then you can go ahead and have your salutation there. So if you're starting from zero, like I did, here's what helped me the most. I also saw this on Reddit, which was very helpful. Here's one way you can ensure that at least you increase your chances of getting hired. Number one, you can go ahead and keep the cover letter or the proposal short but not too short. You want to address how you solve the problem, the client's problem, without drowning them in the pile of testimonials or writing 5,000 word essay on why you're the best. Also, just get to the point and maybe send 1 or 2 documents unless more are requested as proof. Also, you can go ahead and use Loom. Here, the person was saying, I've used Loom to create short videos as part of my proposal, and I've been hired several times, or at very least given interviews because of them. So it so happens that video helps you stand out from the thousands of boring cover letters being sent. Also, you can go ahead and have an updated profile. Even if you're new, make sure your profile looks freaking legit. This gives a strong first impression. So today, here's where I'm at. So I have one completed project, one good review. And I'm not stopping there, I'll keep applying that. Maybe I'll update you guys on the process. And if you are on the same journey, you can drop a like, subscribe, get us to 1,000 subscribers, and let me know in the comment section your experience. See you guys in the next video.